Oh no. You know, people underrate my degree. But I, Igwe, the Ezawa one of this community, whatever I say must come to pass. I have made a degree, and that degree is down. Anybody born of a woman that will before that degree will be thrown to death.
Igwe, just like you have degree, so shall it stand. Ndi will say, let me tell you the truth. The whole community, the entire member of this village, they are so happy about that decree. That whosoever that goes against your decree will face the repercussions.
You know, there is a reason why I made that decree. So we have served this God of the land right from it has been long, right from the days of our forefathers. So many calamities have happened in this community.
Igwe, may your days be long. Igwe, I caught this idiot praising another God in this land. Where you say that anybody that praise another God in this land will kill the person. So I brought you here for Lord's judgment.
Oh no. Can you imagine Mazabu? Mazabu, you said what?
We saw him.
Oh no.
Together. Yes. Yeah.
Oh no. Wait, you mean you saw this man?
I saw him with my wife. I saw him.
You saw this man praising another God? And you have the guts to come and report to me?
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
Hey! Young man, what is happening here? Is it true?
Hey.
This man here and his wife has been my secret members.
Hey! Arwe.
Hey.
The reason why they brought me to Igwe is that they told me to give them bribe. I refused.
Hey!
Igwe is not true. Igwe is not true. Igwe is not true.
Igwe, even you are Ono.
Hey!
Which God?
Even Ono.
Ono.
Do we have to know in this kingdom, Igwe? How can you believe this young man?
Ono, I'm disappointed in you.
Igwe, I'm the one that has the power to select who will be the king of this community. And you knew well, I was the one that endorsed you as the king.
Shut up your mouth, my friend. How dare you? Come on, remember, I'm still your Igwe, no matter what. Do you want me to remove me from this position you are?
How do you believe this man?
How dare you?
I'm the one that selected you.
Shut up your mouth. How dare you join them and serve another God? And you'll be pretending around me.
Igwe, I am now the Igwe while you are the Ono.
Shut up your mouth. Look at this man, oh. Under your nose like he wants to dethrone me, just like that.
Hey!
Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth, Mazabu. You see this your leg? I will cut it off. I will cut off your leg. Hey! Mazabu, you.
Leave that.
Oh no, shut up, even you. You're okay, you are joining this man to praise another God.
Oh no.
Oh no, will you?
Oh no,
Igwe is not true.
Hey!
Igwe, I don't know these two people here. Igwe, as a matter of fact, Ono who has this concern, as he concerns this community, I'm the one that endorsed you. I have the right to take off this card.
So because you are the one that endorsed me, you throw this man and be serving other gods. I don't need to tell me that you, I will cut off your leg. You, I will cut off.
We saw him. Where's my wife? Where's my wife? My wife is here.
Mazabu, you.
It's not true. It's not true.
Okay, look at that woman has run away.
Igwe,
It's not true.
allow these men
I saw him.
Igwe, you will face the consequences.
as the Igwe of this community. Ono, go and call the cabinet.
I'm the Ezoha one, and you are the Onowu, and nothing can change about it.
Go and summon the cabinet.
Yes. Oh no, we are going
And who can say